Today let's talk about how to use response caching for faster results in ASP.NET Core Minimal API. Let's use VS Code to create our Minimal API project. We need to add the Microsoft Response Caching NuGet package to our project. First, we need to set up the output caching middleware in our ASP.NET Core application. Next, we register the output caching service in our builder configuration. Now let's enable the output caching middleware in the HTTP request pipeline. Our example demonstrates a quotes endpoint that returns a collection of motivational quotes along with a request counter and the current server time for demonstration purpose. Here I am defining the quotes endpoint. For each request, I will increment the request counter to demonstrate caching behavior. Now I will configure the cache options to allow this response to be cached for 5 seconds. With this setup, any request within 5 seconds will receive the cached response. Let's test the implementation and see how the response changes when we make multiple requests. We can check the response headers to confirm that caching is working correctly. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.